Moving on to another bit of news, an ex-couple gets all kilig again. Find out more on Real Time. An ex-couple gets all kilig again. Find out more on Real Time. A flamboyant promo girl, a serious teacher. Do they have something in common, or will love just keep them together? Ann Curtis and Sam Milby finally reunite, but this time on the big screen for their upcoming Star Cinema movie, Babe, I Love You.
Sobrang excited. This is our first movie together, and it's nice not only because we're excited to work together and also to give back to the fans na sumusuporta sa amin.
Super excited. Hindi kasi it's been a long wait para sa lahat. Since maging Sino Ka Man, it's the first movie. So, we're excited to see how it will be put together, kung ano magiging reactions. Kasi lahat kami, we really did our best talaga for this movie.
To recount their away-bati moments on and off cam, and Cinema News got a glimpse of their cat and dog clashes during their interview.
Hiniritan ko talaga siya. Sabi ko, well, hindi mo kasi ako tinuruan mag-drive ng manual noon. So ngayon, dusa ka na, ito pa lang ako natututo ngayon.
Oh, Sam.
Yes, ako.
Ayaw niya kasi pa-drive yung bago niyang kotseng magdadala.
Yes, sobrang happy na happy ako na hindi ko siya tinuro sa orange car ko kasi sirang-sira na siya kung tinuruan ko siya ngayon. Sa sobrang kawa, as in, naawa ko sa kotse na yan, na ginagamit sa movie. Naawa ko sa kotse. Sirang-sira na. Yung brakes, yung clutch, wala na. Kawa naman yung may-ari ng kotse.
Kasi in fairness sa eksena, kailangan talaga, ataw!
Ataw, hindi sira. Masisira ng kotse. I tried to help her, pero lagi siyang, eto ang sa, I tried to help her. Alam mo, magaling na ako. Oh, tinan mo. First gear. Nag-stall. Magaling na ako. Oh, marunong na ako.
Ano yun yung press, step on the clutch, step on the clutch.
I tried to help nga. Ayan eh, hard-headed kasi.
Oh, yan na naman.
Ayan, away na siya.